What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. As you guys saw by that B-roll, we got ourselves an F31 wagon. Now, I know it's been a minute since I last posted. Life has gotten really hectic for me recently, and I have not had the time to record. Business has been really busy over here at Natty Auto Parts. We are slowly expanding, and it takes a lot of time throughout the week, and I just can't find the time to record. But we did get ourselves a wagon, and we bought this thing probably like 4 or 5 months ago now. We got it from auction. I'll go ahead and throw up all the pictures that I got it. I took a few videos of the rebuild process. It ended up needing a little bit of framework on the upper apron. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about, the before and after of the rebuild process. And as you guys can see, it's sitting over there and it's pretty much complete. There's a few little things that we still have to do on the car to get it to pass inspection. Other than that, it's fully put together and it runs and drives great, super smooth. So it's actually a mineral white paint color, not the Alpine white. So it has a little bit of sparkle in there. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see, and it is the luxury line. So the luxury line comes with like, it says BMW luxury, and it typically comes with an extended dash color. I really like brown interior. Brown interior is my favorite interior color. I know I have red interior on the 335, which is still nice, but brown has always been my go-to. The luxury line, I think, comes with the bigger screen. It comes with the nice sport shifter, a nice wood trim. I actually really like this wood trim. But yeah, so it's an extended brown leather interior on mineral white. It is a 328 X-Drive, and the previous owner, whoever had it, took really good care of it. It has PPF all around. It has PPF on like the door handles and stuff like that. And let's go ahead and turn it on. And it actually has quite high miles, I'm not gonna lie. 143,000. Whoever owned this car before me took really good care of it. It feels like it's a car with like 70,000 miles, not 140,000 miles. So it literally feels like it has half the miles than what it actually has because of how well taken care of it was. The service history on this one is insane. As you guys know, with N20s, the timing chains are pretty bad on these, but it has already been replaced. So the timing chain is good on this engine, which is typically the only thing that causes these to go bad. There's a few other things that go bad. These engines are kind of unreliable, I'm not gonna lie. So if you have an F30 or an F31, 328i, 428i, whatever, make sure to do the timing chain because these are kind of notorious for that. So, but other than that, it is a 4-cylinder, so it should give me good MPG. I mainly got this as like a nice daily driver, something that's smooth, comfortable, and gets good MPG. Now I say it's smooth, but I am planning on getting a nice suspension setup and some nice wheels on here, and hopefully making it an M Sport. I was originally gonna just swap everything over to M Sport from the start, but I figured I have to pass inspection, and it's best if I just go OEM route for now, and then slowly get M Sport parts. I can always get an F30 front M Sport. The rear F31 M Sports, I can't find them anywhere. So probably once we get a parts car here at Natty Auto Parts, I'm probably gonna take that M Sport rear bumper for the F31 because they are different. But yeah, that being said, you guys can kind of see nice brown interior up in here. It's been really well taken care of. The seats are in great shape. Like everything's in really good shape for the miles. So I'm very happy with this. And as I said before, there are a few little things I still have to do for inspection to get it to pass inspection. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of update you guys with my new build, F31 daily driver. Probably gonna keep this thing for a long time, honestly. Like the wagon aspect is so good because I can store a lot of stuff in the back if I need to, and I always find myself needing more space than what the E92 can offer. So anyway, let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and show you guys the before videos I have, photos, whatever I got. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up right now so that way you guys can see the before and after. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Over here, it has some crash damage on the front end, needs a new hood, new fender, headlight, and there's a little bit of damage right here underneath the hood, and then it needs a new bumper. So instead of going and trying to source these parts myself, I ended up just picking up a parts car with the correct paint just to swap over everything. So we ended up picking up a mineral white F30 because this F31 is mineral white, not the Alpine white. And we can take the hood from this and the fender from this, as well as the bumper. Pretty much all the parts I'm getting in this video are gonna be here at the shop, Natty Auto Parts. If you guys ever need any parts, go ahead and give us a call over here, and we can source parts, get any parts for you. So just make sure to give us a call or a text at that number, because this build essentially is gonna be built here at Natty Auto Parts, in-house with Natty Auto Parts parts. But yeah guys, let's go ahead, jump into this whole rebuild, swapping over some parts. So yeah guys, now that you kind of saw the before and after, I don't know why it took so long to get this project done, but it did take like 4 to 5 months to do it. That's just the reality of it, I guess, nowadays for me. So the plan is, I want to keep this thing as a nice, reliable, solid, good MPG daily driver that I can haul stuff around in. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I would like to get a nice wheel setup and a nice suspension setup and then M Sport. And I don't really want to do much more than that, but I will take you guys along for the process. Let me know if you guys have any wheel recommendations. I've been doing a lot of research on the all-wheel drive, and there's not a whole lot that I can find with good wheel setups for F31, at least for F30 all-wheel drive. Like, they are a little bit different for the front. So like, I'm trying to find a good wheel setup. So if you guys have an all-wheel drive F30 or an F31, let me know what wheels you guys got, because I'm trying to find a good set, and I'm not trying to do the same typical Apex wheel setup like what I have on my E92. I got the ARC 8s on here, which I love these wheels, but I've done them so much and I want to switch it up. So let me know if there's something that you guys recommend for the F31, at least all-wheel drive F3X setup, because right now these wheels are just hideous and it needs some new wheels for sure. So let me know your suggestions down below. With that being said though guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. With all that being said guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.
Back on deck on my fly, really on my, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact.